Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that. Is he the real Satoshi? The new documentary by HBO is out, and they named a kind of new name. We haven't talked about him that much as the real Satoshi as a possibility. So let's talk about this because so many people are curious. Okay, then we have crypto.com, which is actually suing now the SEC. We have also MicroStrategy, which in this year actually outperformed Bitcoin quite well. And what are the numbers? Let's talk about that. And we also have a Bitcoin conference right now ongoing in Amsterdam, which is Bitcoin Amsterdam. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. Well, not too much happening when we're looking at the price of Bitcoin, $61,958 at the moment, which is, let's say, less than 1% decrease. Ethereum kind of sideways move in the last 24 hours, $2,431. Do we have, well, winners 5.5% up, Eigenlayer, Monero 4, and Phantom 3.5%, so nothing special. Among the losers, say 7% down, BitTensor 6, and WorldCoin 5. So this is what we have right now. When we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see that again here we're moving sideways. I did draw this trend line when I, connected these 2 points. Let's see, will this hold, or we do go back here to 60,000 something. So many things can happen on the market, just a conflict or something, which can push down the price. But October is not over. So the possibility that it can turn out to be in October, well, we're just on the 9th of October. So, well, a lot of things can happen. We're going to see how the whole thing going to play out. I think the market is definitely waiting for the election. And this is on the 5th of November. So until that, it's kind of undecided. But we will see how it moves. Anyway, now the new HBO documentary is out, and they saying Satoshi Nakamoto is so according to the documentary, which I haven't seen, so I just have read about it. I have to admit, he's Peter Todd. Yeah, this guy, right? So you get the picture. Who's Peter Todd? Well, he's a 39-year-old Canadian, is known for long-time contributions as a Bitcoin core developer, a consultant, and a developer of other crypto and blockchain softwares. And actually, still Todd denied being Satoshi Nakamoto both before the documentary debuts and after it aired, bluntly posting, "I'm not Satoshi." So, well, he's saying he's not. And, well, interestingly enough, when you think about this, how complex Bitcoin is, but of course there are geniuses. At that time, when the Bitcoin white paper came out, he was 23 years old. So he's now 39 and back in 2008, right? So that would mean that, okay, he's pretty young. Okay, we can see that Vitalik Buterin, coming up with Ethereum, he did it also an extremely young age. So things are possible. But what I have read about the documentary, there are no hardcore evidences. So there are some logical assumptions that he could be Satoshi, but again, it's not the hardcore proof. And this guessing game is on for a while. To be honest with you, it's not even important. Bitcoin is working well as a distributed, decentralized network, doing pretty well in the last 15 years. And it's working with and without the founder. And we don't even know who Satoshi Nakamoto is. These are guesses. Yes, it's exciting to think about and, just play with it. There were ideas. It could be Hal Finney, could be Nick Szabo, and so many others. But at the end of the day, is this proof now that he is or not? It sounds like it's not, and he's also saying it's no obvious. If he would be Satoshi, still saying no, probably. But yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Who is Satoshi Nakamoto? Or actually, is it important to find out? That's another question, to be honest with you. Right, okay. Next one is crypto.com suing the SEC. So there's a backfire now. Sorry, pressed the wrong button. So there's a backfire now because crypto.com sues the SEC. So cryptocurrency exchange crypto.com has sued the SEC, indicating it believes the agency has overstepped its legal boundaries in regulating the crypto industry, and the lawsuit was filed Tuesday after the SEC earlier sent crypto.com a Wells notice, which informs the recipient that the SEC is considering formal legal action against it. So probably they had enough. And we do know that recently, the SEC is not doing very well with this cryptocurrency, attacks, what they're doing against the industry. Either they cannot, continue because the judge is saying that there are not enough evidence to continue, or they step back from some cases. And now the crypto.com cryptocurrency exchange has received a Wells notice, but now they're firing back and they are suing the SEC. They're saying, okay, that was enough. What do you think about this? You can let me know also in the comment section. Right. This was actually the article here about, which I forgot to share, I believe. Right. Okay. Next one. Let's talk about the MicroStrategy's stock performance, which is outperforming Bitcoin in this year. MicroStrategy stocks is kind of valuable because they stack Bitcoin, right? And the irony in it is that this year MicroStrategy is outperforming Bitcoin, to be honest with you. So overall, MicroStrategy stock have climbed 185% since January compared to Bitcoin, which went up 47%. So what do you think? What could be the best investment? Invest in companies just like MicroStrategy who are indirectly into Bitcoin because they accumulate Bitcoin and therefore their value goes up, or actually directly invest in Bitcoin. I personally the one who is more favor in Bitcoin just because what Bitcoin is, and I think this is the reason why MicroStrategy is collecting it at the first place. But also those who are on the stock market and doing their bets and investing in the companies which are accumulating Bitcoin could be also a good bet. This time it really worked out pretty well. Okay, and finally, now we have another conference, a Bitcoin conference going on. This is Bitcoin Amsterdam. I think conferences are great things to attend. I also go a couple of conferences when I can, but there are so many, it's impossible actually to go to all of them. This time, now we have Bitcoin Amsterdam on today and tomorrow. But guys, if you would like to watch it, here's just like a hint. Just go on Bitcoin Magazine's YouTube channel, and there you have a live stream about day one, and tomorrow, obviously, there will be day two. Probably there will be separated videos as well. So if you couldn't go there, but you would like to watch it live, because you would like to get the information as soon as possible, then simply you can do it. So this was just an idea. Right, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news to keep you up to date. So if that's important, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.